The Holy Stone HS430 drone comes equipped with a 1080p high-definition camera that captures excellent quality videos and photos, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts. With two modular lithium-polymer batteries, this drone offers an impressive flight time of nearly 30 minutes, ensuring longer and more enjoyable flying sessions. Designed for portability, the HS430 drone can easily fit in the palm of your hand when folded, making it convenient to carry and use anywhere. This drone is packed with fun features such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, and trajectory flight, which provide an engaging flying experience. The HS430 makes takeoff and landing incredibly easy with its one-button control and throw-to-go feature, which is perfect for beginners and kids. Equipped with various beginner-friendly modes like headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch, the HS430 ensures safe and smooth flights for novice users,